welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. This is Nessa CX Beauty, and today we are going to be swatching, using, and reviewing the brand new Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. You can see my camera in this palette's reflection. But nonetheless, when you open her up, there are 15 shades, and this retails for $65. This is a beautiful color story. I gotta admit this to y'all. When I got this in the mail, I thought I was effed because I thought I was getting another Sunset palette in the mail because they have like such similar packaging. But this is the packaging in comparison to the Sunset palette. And then this is how it is in terms of size compared to the Sunset palette. So it's not even that much smaller than it. But if you are familiar with the Love palette and the Bronze palette are both equal in size, equal in shades, and equal in price. Another thing that's really cool about the mini palettes is that all of the shades have magnetic backings. So if you did want to mix and match these color stories into one palette, you could definitely do so. But if you're old to the channel, you know how this goes down, and if you're new, I'm going to explain it to you. I'm going to swatch out all of these shades on my arm just to see how they swatch. I know swatches don't mean crap when you're putting stuff on your eye, but I do like to see them laid out on the arm, and then we're going to use it on the eyes, and then I'm going to talk about my final thoughts. So if you're interested in seeing how this palette performs, just continue watching. Okay, so we're going to start off with the swatches. We're going to go into Rhodium, Deep Dive, Sundown, Suntan, and True Copper. And that is the whole first row. Second row, True Bronze, Ridge, Alloy, High Degree, and Magma. That is the whole second row swatched out. Third row, Beach, Silk, Bliss. This is a duochrome. So pretty. Ooh. Palladium. And last but not least, Gloaming. So this is the entire color story swatched out. So beautiful. Ooh. And now onto the eye look. Okay, to start off, we're gonna go in with my Morphe JS8 into Ridge. And we're gonna place this all over our crease. To deepen up the crease, we're going to go into Magma with my JS8 brush and just place that right under the shade that we just laid down. Ooh, that's so pretty. Alright, so this is what we have thus far. I'm actually going to switch it up a little bit in terms of cutting my crease. I am going to cut my right eye with my P. Louise eye base, but I'm going to cut my left eye with my Hourglass eye primer because what I realized about the Love palette is that the shimmers performed way better with my Hourglass primer as opposed to my P. Louise eye base. So let's see if it is the same case with this. I'm going to test that theory right here, right now. Okay, so we are back, and on the P. Louise eye base side, I'm going to go into High Degree and put that on the outer half of the lid. That is so beautiful. Now it is Hourglass's turn. Do you see a difference in vibrancy? Or am I crazy? Okay, and for the inner half, we're gonna dig into silk. P. Louise eye base side. Oh, gorgeous. And now Hourglass. Now I'm just gonna go back into Magma and blend that into the shimmers. And y'all, I still think the Hourglass side made the shimmer pop more, but let me know what you guys feel in the comments. Okay, so now we are just gonna finish up my whole face, do the lower lash line together, and then talk about my final thoughts with the palette. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back for the lower lash line. I'm gonna go into Sundown with my Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just gonna sweep that all the way through my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna hit Suntan and just go into the outer half. And then just hit Beach and put it all the way on the inner corner. For my inner corner highlight, we're gonna dig into Ofra Star Island. And this is the finished look using the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. Y'all, I love it. I really do, and it's a lot considering that I didn't fall in love with the Love palette. If you are looking to try one of the mini palettes from Natasha Denona, I would definitely go with the Bronze palette. This one wasn't as impressive, but this one actually does seem like it has a better formula. I might be going crazy, but nonetheless, it still does look better with the Hourglass primer, but you know, I have less complaints on this one. The mattes were pretty. I made it deep enough for my complexion, so I feel like this color story would work on those who are darker than me as well as lighter than me. So I feel like this is a pretty good go-to palette just to go out, even like a wedding. I don't know. I feel like I will get a ton of use off of this palette. And that's all I gotta say. Yes. 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 But yeah, that's it. I approve. I definitely do love this palette. It's a thumbs up in my book, and I'm gonna use it some more, so that's all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.